Welcome everyone to another episode of Around the Globe, where we have the opportunity to meet with and have conversations with innovators, investors, researchers, and those who are moving innovation and companies forward. And today we're pleased to have Brent Jones. He is the General Manager and Global Head of Dry Eye at Bruder Health. Brent, welcome.
Thank you, Sanjeev. I'm excited to be here and be able to talk about this exciting topic.
Well, we're excited to have you as well. We know that there's a lot of changes taking place within the eye care space, and Bruder is certainly known in the space. We'd like to learn more about what it is that Bruder has done and is doing. But maybe we could start off with just give the audience a little bit of background about you, Brent, some of the work that you've done in the past and what your role is with Bruder today.
Absolutely, Sanjeev. So I'll give you a little background on me and also bring you up to date on the state of Bruder Healthcare. So a little bit about myself, my background, 30 years in the eye care industry, working both on the surgical and pharmaceutical side within small startups, have built sales forces and commercial organizations in this space, as well as working at the very large organizations such as Alcon and Bausch & Lomb in my background. But what I really enjoy doing is what I'm doing right now, and that's being able to bring something fresh and new and be able to build something out in the eye care space that brings real quality and value. And that's really what Bruder stands for. And a company founded by Mark and Mary Bruder back in 1986. It's a company that's been built on quality and certainly on bringing value to patients. They've built an iconic brand in the Bruder mask. And just recently, the company was acquired by Hilco Vision, a private equity-backed company, which caused the exit of Mark and Mary as they so deservingly are retiring and moving on. And I'm taking over as general manager. And the exciting thing, obviously, Sanjeev, is that we have the backing of a larger private equity-backed company and the ability to really go and look at adding to our portfolio and bringing to market new and exciting and innovative therapies to the physicians and patients, especially in the dry eye space.
No, that's wonderful, Brent. And of course, we'll recognize the Bruder family for their work and innovation up to today, and join you in congratulating and recognizing their efforts to this point. With that, you know, the thing that comes to my mind is the concept of evolution. Obviously, the investment into Bruder, has some interest in evolving what Bruder is known for today and where it's going to be at in the near future. Can you maybe take our audience through some of the concepts of evolution that you have in mind and where it is that you think Bruder might be in 12 months, 24 months, 36 months from now?
Absolutely. It's an exciting time here at Bruder Healthcare. And the first thing you have to have is obviously an unmet need in the marketplace. And when you look at the dry space in particular, it's huge. There's over 60 million dry patient sufferers in the United States, and only about 12 million of those are even being diagnosed. And of that subset, only maybe 1.5 million of that 12 million are currently under the care of a physician. So there's a real unmet need to provide more resources in the maintenance and management and treatment of dry eye. And certainly that's where we want to be known. That's where our focus is going to be. We want to be known and build off of that iconic brand as the dry eye company. In order to do that, obviously, there's an opportunity to expand our portfolio and to look at all segments, whether it's in diagnostics, treatment, or maintenance and management of dry eye. And that's really where we want to go. We want to be known as the dry eye experts. And I'm looking to add products over the next 12 to 18 months that will complement our existing portfolio. Currently, we have obviously the iconic Bruder mask. We also have hyperchlorous spray as well as lid wipes. And so certainly there are some opportunities to add. We have that comes in a dry eye kit as well. And we also have pre-op surgical kits. And so we are looking to add to that portfolio. There's obviously some obvious spaces that we can fill in that portfolio that we're looking to do and expand. And we're looking to bring more of a forward-facing field sales force to be able to deliver that education, those new products and the samples so that patients can experience the quality and efficacy behind the Bruder name.
That's wonderful. And we know that things are early in their stage right now, and we welcome chatting with you as things progress over the next 12 months, 24 months here. It sounds like there's quite a bit that's taking place for Bruder in the transition, as well as in the evolution of the company and where it is that you're focusing in. And so we congratulate, again, the Bruders for the effort to date, and we certainly support you, Brent, in the efforts that you and the Hilco team will be taking forward from this point forward. With that, we would like to thank everyone for joining this episode of Around the Globe, and stay tuned for the next one. Take care.